What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. I don't want to spend any more money on official Apple earbuds. So that's why I bought this. This is a set of wired earbuds, but they have the all-important lightning connector on them. Now, I picked this up on Amazon, and they come pretty basically packaged here. And that's because they are pretty inexpensive. Now, obviously, this color scheme is not something that Apple sells. There's is all white, but I just wanted to show you what we have here is a pretty standard earbud, and I will say that they're shaped like the EarPods, right? Forward, so this would be on the right side, kind of that forward projecting. I mean, they look just like it. In terms of quality, it's hard to say. I mean, I'm assuming, you know, when you have thin plastic like this, it's hard to say that they are made as well or not as well as Apple, you know, but they certainly look almost exactly like it aside from the color scheme. Even the, I don't know, the little radiator in there, you have that open. Maybe, I don't know, you can see the little plastic seam right there where they mold the two pieces, but otherwise it seems pretty good to me. We even have a little clip here on the wires to kind of hold them together when you want them to, and this can slide up and down. And then right here we have an inline controller, which looks just like Apple to me. Clicks on plus, minus, volume up, down, track, advance. And then right here is where we would have our function button for hang up, play pause, you know, that kind of thing. Activating Siri, you'd hold it down. So everything seems just about the same as, you know, the official Apple. And then you have a little plug right here on a lightning connector. But they are like a third of the cost of the official Apple ones. Now, so a couple things I wanted to check out here, because I'm sure you're curious as well as I am, is one, do they work? You know, are they MFI certified? Am I going to plug this in? They're going to work for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to get a, you know, device not compatible error or something like that. So that's one thing I want to check. Then secondly, audio quality, which, you know, hopefully, you know, especially in earbuds, they all tend to be pretty good, but I want to make sure that that works. But then also, I'm going to call my own voicemail and leave a voicemail, because it's really this inline controller, which you can see the microphone icon there. I'm not sure where the microphone hole is on it, but I really want to see what the audio quality is, because the nice thing about the official Apple EarPods is that, you know, when I take a phone call, it sounds like a pretty good headset. All right, guys, so I think I've got this thing figured out, and I want to show you why these things are super weird. So I'm just going to plug this in here, and if I plug this in to listen to music, the iPad here or my iPhone never detect it. And that's important to know, because this does not work like a regular wired headphone set. In fact, what you'll see here is when I plug it in, it powers the headphones, and now they show up here as lightning. And so if I just hit connect to Bluetooth, absolutely it connects here. And if I pull up some Musak and pull up Jimmy Allen, I can now listen to the music through the headphones. And the earbuds here, if I can, I don't know if you can hear that, actually do work, and they sound okay, no better or worse than any other Bluetooth earbuds. But I think the reason they are cheap is because they didn't get the plug here MFI certified, and so they're just picking up the power from the iPad, and that must not be locked down by Apple somehow, and then they are basically giving you a pair of Bluetooth earbuds. Now, I guess the pro of this is that you don't have to worry about Bluetooth earbuds being charged, because even though effectively these are wireless earbuds, they aren't truly wired. They're like wireless earbuds with a wire. So they're totally weird to me. I won't say the audio quality is bad or anything, but it's strange that you would have to plug in anything and then connect it via Bluetooth, other than issues with, I don't know, licensing. So, do they work? Yes. Do I understand why these things are now like $13 instead of the Apple's $29? Yes. Would I get these again? No. In fact, I think you can get like the Apple earbuds basically from aftermarket vendors for like 13 bucks too. So I wouldn't pick them up. Really strange to me. Not what I expected. But if you want to check them out, I'll put a link to them in the description. Peter from Panda. Out!